the BJP has hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party in this case. The BJP has questioned AAP and India Bloc's silence on this matter. They've asked why is Arvind Kejriwal silent till now on this assault that has taken place on Swati Maliwal. And they've also gone on to question whether she's safe or not and asked, was Swati Maliwal attacked at Arvind Kejriwal's behest?
अरविंद केजरीवाल देश की जनता को बताएं कि 13 मई को सीएम हाउस में जो बदनाम घटना हुई है उसका काला सच क्या है। पिछले 48 घंटे से महिलाएं अरविंद केजरीवाल से यही सवाल पूछ रही हैं और सभी सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि सीएम हाउस में आखिरकार एक महिला के साथ मार पिटाई कैसी हुई। ये अलग बात है कि वो मौजूदा तौर में सांसद हैं और उनकी पुरानी सहयोगी हैं और करीबी हैं। अभी तक अरविंद केजरीवाल सुल्तान साहब चुप्पी क्यों साधे हैं? अरविंद केजरीवाल ने विभव कुमार पर क्या कार्रवाई की है? क्या विभव कुमार ने केजरीवाल जी के कहने पर स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ मारपीट की और इसलिए केजरीवाल विभव कुमार के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने से बच रहे हैं?
All right, my colleague Nikhil is joining us on the phone line. He's been tracking the developments in this case. Nikhil, politics, of course, has emerged out of this controversy regarding Swati Maliwal, but the moot question remains, where is Swati Maliwal? There are no, traces of her. The sources, Delhi police sources, are saying that she's untraceable. Her residence has been reallotted to somebody else. Why isn't she coming forward and speaking about the ordeal that she had to go through?
So, as per the details which are coming in this context, what we do know is that she has gone untraceable, she has gone silent as well, and she's not speaking to anyone. In fact, we tried to call on her personal number a couple of times, but she's not picking up the same. In fact, the Delhi police as well is unable to find traces of her. If we go by the location in particular, earlier she used to reside at the Commonwealth Games village, which is near to the Akshardham. But now the guards of that particular locality, they are saying that she vacated this particular locality few months back. So now nobody knows as to where exactly her residence is, because ever since she has become the member of parliament, Rajya Sabha from the Aam Aadmi Party, she has not been allotted any of the official residence. So nobody knows as of now as to where exactly is she residing. In fact, she's not picking up her calls as well. And also the action is awaited from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party as well, because if you go by the further details, yesterday another member of parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party, Rajya Sabha, Sanjay Singh, he came on record for the very first time confirming the same. In fact, he had gone on to say that Arvind Kejriwal is taking this matter very seriously. We can expect any serious action anytime soon. But a day has already been passed, but no action whatsoever has been taken by the Aam Aadmi Party in the context of the complaint which was filed by Swati Maliwal in the public domain. Apart from it, the Delhi police, as is being...
which is what I was coming to, Nikhil. The fact that Aam Aadmi Party has promised strict action, but so far we haven't seen any concrete action being taken against Bibhav Kumar.
Well, they have to take the action, otherwise Delhi police, because if you go by the details which is coming in from the side of the Delhi police, they reached out twice towards the residence of Swati Maliwal, but even the Delhi police is unable to find the traces of her. But if they move further with the complaint, then the more legal trouble is likely to be mounted against Bibhav Kumar. And also, because the incident took place at the official residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, there could be a possibility that the Delhi police reach out at that location as well. So, to save the party from that embarrassment, it is now on the Aam Aadmi Party to take a serious action and strict action, and at the earliest action against Bibhav Kumar, who is already facing some of the serious heat from the central agency, that is ED.